What's up guys, it's Chuck and Mackenzie from Brady Adventures, and today we are going to be installing an Invidia N1 exhaust on our 2016 Honda Civic Touring. And I want to give a special thanks to MA Performance for sending us this t-shirt. They're cool guys and they got lots of cool stuff, and go check them out. This is going to be a 3-part series. The first video, we're going to give you a sneak peek of the exhaust and let you know why we chose this particular one. In the second video, we're going to do a full installation, and in the third video, we're going to do some before and afters and some sound tests so you can hear what this thing sounds like. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about this project or anything else we've got going on. Thanks a lot for watching. You were looking for an exhaust that was cool and had a little sound, but not like super crazy loud. And this was kind of a balance, and it was a little bit of a gamble, but I think it paid off.
It did.
All right, let's unbox this thing.
Woo!
All right, so we're installing our Invidia exhaust today. Look at what we got there. We got a sweet sticker, silver and gold.
Oh, I am stealing that.
And we got our little gaskets and bolts and hardware and stuff. All right.
Yeah.
We got lots of protective material. Okay, we got the exhaust. Or like, I guess the back end of the exhaust, right?
Yes.
The muffler with the titanium tip, which we will keep protected for a moment. That's a little...
It's the thing that goes on the...
sound dampener, baffle, something like that. I believe that is called the Resonator, so that kind of goes in the middle. It's like a initial muffler. We got a little pipe, and we got our last pipe here. Ooh-wee, shiny. Shiny pipe number 2. Shiny pipe with Resonator.
High performance exhaust systems.
Okay. Ooh. Super sweet. Now, you want to show them the exhaust tip? Boom!
Awesome sauce. Hey, this is everything. Okay, we have this. This goes back there in the back, going out towards the back of the car.
Right.
This connects to this. The end of that will come to this thing right here, which is the resonator. And then this will connect up there to where it went into the body of the car.
Yeah, up into the exhaust that goes up to the engine, right?
Yes. We have parts, we have gaskets, we have nuts and bolts, and stickers. Yay.
Okay. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.